Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix FaceTime crashing problem on iOS 15. So whenever I try to call my friend or anyone, the FaceTime has just got hang. Now as you can see, I can't do anything. I can't turn off the video. I can't do anything because the FaceTime has crashed. So guys, in this video we are going to fix this. So before we start the video guys, please leave a like and comment, subscribe to the channel for more upcoming video. So guys, now my FaceTime has crashed. Now I need to restart my iPhone because I can't do anything. So first of all, let me restart my iPhone. So now the iPhone is restarted guys. Now what you need to do is, for fix this, just go to your contacts. Go to your contacts. Now click on the content that you are calling at. Now remove the emoji. So just remove the emoji and then click on done. So guys, your FaceTime is crashing because you have emoji on your contacts. So now the emoji is removed. Now let's try to call out someone. Let's see if it's crash or not. So guys, now as you can see, it's working perfect. I can turn off video, I can end the call, or I can do anything because it's working perfect. So this is the way that you can fix it guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.